Mribwanji, Tikulandi Landi. Welcome back to another episode of the Zambian American. As you learn more and more Nyanja, I hope that you take a lot from this. This section, we're going to be talking about getting around, how to get around town, where you're going, where you're coming from, and how to give directions. This Nyanja is some of the Nyanja that I learned and used a lot when I was younger to give directions and communicating with bus drivers. So with that, let's jump right in. Also, I think I'm going to try something new this time. I'll be doing everything in my Zambian accent. Okay, chat number one. The first thing we are going to say is, where are you going? Okay? You say, Muyenda kuti. Mu is talking about the you. Yenda is going. Kuti is the where. Muyenda kuti. Where are you going? Now to respond, you have to say, I am going to. You say, Nayenda ku. Nayenda ku, village. Nayenda ku, town. Nayenda ku, America. Mwamvera bwino? If it is not just you, but it is a group, you have to say, we are going to. You say, Tayenda ku. Tayenda ku, village. Mwamvera? So if someone asks you, Muyenda kuti, you respond, Nayenda ku village. I am going to the village. Or if they say, Muyenda kuti, you say, Tayenda ku America. Mwamvera? Is it open? Nanga ni yosegula. Nanga ni yosegula. At what time do they open? Vaamasegula intawi bwanji. Vaamasegula intawi bwanji. What time do they open? Okay? Next, what time do they close? Vavala intawi bwanji. Vavala intawi bwanji. What time do they close? Make sure you take note that it is va and it is the BV sound. Okay? It is open from this time to this time. Niko segula kuchoka 8 hours kufika 17 hours. Okay? It is open from 8 hours all the way to 5 p.m. Mwamvera bwino? You understanding? Chawama. Is there an entrance fee? Okay?
Vari pesa pongena. Vari pesa pongena.
Is there an entrance fee? Okay? What time will we leave? Tizanyamuka intawi bwanji. Tizanyamuka intawi bwanji. Which is like saying, what time are we starting off? Okay? Then what time will we get back? Tizabwelako intawi bwanji. Tizabwelako intawi bwanji. How can I get to? Ningayende bwanji ku. How can I get to? So, Ningayende is about the way you are going. Bwanji is the how. And the ku is the, like the to. Mwamvera? How can I get there? Niza yendako bwanji. Niza yendako bwanji kuja. How can I get there? Niza yendako bwanji kuja. Kuja is the there. You just say kuja. It's there. I want to travel by car. Nifuna kuyenda na motoka. Now this is one of my favorite things to say. Nifuna kuyenda na motoka. I just like saying kamotoka, namotoka. The small car is the kamotoka. Namotoka is just a car. Will my car cope with the road, or will my car manage to pass the road? Nanga motoka yanga ingakwanise kupita murodi. Will my car manage to pass the road? Nanga motoka yanga ingakwanise kupita murodi. Okay, let's break this down. Nanga motoka nyanga, this is my car. Will my car ingakwanise is to manage kupita road, to go on the road, to pass the road. Okay? I want to walk. Nifuna kuyenda namendo. Namendo is to go by foot. Nifuna, I want. Kuyenda, to go. Namendo, by foot. I want to go by foot. Is it too far to walk? Nipatari ngati muyenda namendo? Nipatari ngati muyenda namendo. Is it too far to walk? Then, should I take a taxi? Ningayende na taxi. Should I take a taxi? Ningayende na taxi. Where is the post office? Where is the bank? Okay. Nikutiku, where is he? Then you fill in the Nikutiku post office, Nikutiku bank, Nikutiku camp life. Mwambera, you can just use the English as the nouns for the place. Okay. Now if you want to say it's near here, you say ni pafupi na kuno. It's near here. Ni pafupi na kuno. It's near here. Then if you want to say, hey, it's far from here. Ni patali na kuno. Ni patali, like tali is like it's far. Na kuno, from here. Okay? Pafupi, it's like pafupi is there. It's very near. Patali, it's a distance. It is like chipata, it's far. Okay. Give me directions. Nilangizeni moyendela. Nilangizeni moyendela. Give me directions. To the left, kulefti. To the right, kuraiti. Okay? Just the same, left and right. Then if you just want someone to go straight, you just say, yendani pasogoro. You just go in front. Pasogoro is in front. If you want to tell someone to cross the road, you say, jumpani njila. If you want to tell someone don't cross the road, you say, osa jumpa njila. This is don't cross the road. Then if you want to say, go past the point, you just say, mupitirire pa. Go past the what? Mupitirire pa tree or pa mutengo. Okay? Mupitirire pa roundabout. Okay. Mupitirire pa roundabout. You go past the roundabout. Then if you want to say, it's the first gate. Ni gate yoyamba. Or gate ya number one. Ni gate ya number one. Okay? Then if it's the second gate, you say, ni gate ya number two. Okay? It's the second gate. Then if you want to say it's near the shopping center, you can just say, ni pafupi na shopping center. Ni pafupi na town. You just say it's near the point that you want to describe. Then if you want to say it is 10 minutes by car, ni mameniti 10 ngati Muyenda na motoka. Ni mameniti 10 ngati Muyenda na motoka. It's 10 minutes by car. If you want to say it's 10 minutes by foot, you say ni mameniti 10 ngati Muyenda na mendo. Okay, it is namendo for by foot. Then if you want to say, where is the nearest bus stop? You just say, bus stopi yapafupi irikuti. Bus stopi yapafupi irikuti. I could rap to that. I just think that's kind of a nice little beat that it's got going on there. Where is the driver? Va driver vari kuti? Where is the driver? Va driver vari kuti? Where is the driver? How much is the fare? Nizingati kulipira. Okay? Nizingati kulipira. Okay, the next one. Can I have my change? Mungani pase change yanga. Mungani pase change yanga. Can you pass me the change which is mine? Can I have my change? Mungani pase change yanga. Where can I drop off? Ningaserukire kuti. Ningaserukire kuti. Okay, where can I drop off? Ningaserukire kuti. Okay. Can I go today? Ningayende lelo. Ningayende lelo. Can I go today? Okay, to say stop here, you say imirirani panu or imirirani apa. Imirirani. Okay? Imirirani apa. Stop here. Okay, that one can be a bit difficult. Imirirani panu. Okay, stop here. Now, if you want to say fill it up, you say Zulikizani. 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 Fill it up. Now, if you want to say your tire is flat or has a puncture, you say tire yaponcha or tire yapomporoka. Tire yapomporoka. The tire is flat. If you want to say, please fill up the car, you say, nifakileniko nifiu momotoka. Nifakileniko nifiu momotoka. Okay, I'll say it fast. Nifakileniko nifiu momotoka. Okay? If you say, please pump up my tire, nipompeleniko ni tire. Okay? Please pump up my tire. Nipompeleniko ni tire. If you want to say the car is broken down, you say motoka yafa, which means it's dead. Motoka yafa. If you want to say, is there a garage nearby? Para garage pafupi, where is the garage? Is it near? Then can you fix it? Munga kwanise kuikonza. Munga kwanise kuikonza. Can you fix it? We need to replace, you say, tifunika kuchinja. Tifunika is like saying we are supposed to kuchinja to change. Tifunika kuchinja. Okay? If you want to say, please move your car so I can pass. Chosaniko ni motoka yano kuti ni piteko. Okay? Chosaniko ni is like move out of the way. Your motoka yanu kuti ni piteko. Then my favorite one, this is one, it's not in the book. I heard someone say this one time. They said, ufunika kuziva kuyenza kumotoka mushe, which means learn how to drive. Okay? Ufunika kuziva kuyenza kumotoka mushe. Should know how to drive. Okay, that's it for this edition of the Zambian American. Thank you. Natotera sana. I'll see you in Zakupeza pa next time. Zaonana.